Hey, it's Matt with Copperhead Plumbing. Just wanted to talk to you today about the main shutoff valve in your home. As a homeowner, it's a good thing to know where your shutoff valve is. Could be outside, could be down in the basement, but it's a great thing to know in case of some kind of emergency. If you have a situation that arises that you have to shut off all the water to your home in a hurry, it's a really great thing to know where that's at. I'm going to show you where one is today. This one happens to be outside, how it works, but I suggest trying to find where yours is located. That way you always know where it's at. Let's go take a look. This is the main shutoff valve for this home. This happens to be a gate valve. They're really touchy. Not recommended on turning those and on and off too often if you don't have to. Once you turn them, they tend to leak. The other valve would be a gate valve, and it would have a handle that you could turn back and forth. And those are great valves to have. I recommend getting a ball valve installed if you have one of these gate valves. But for this particular home, this is where it's located. Like I said before, you can most likely find it in your basement where the domestic line comes in. And you're going to see a main line coming in. That's where you shut them on and off. But the other thing to remember is if for some reason you have to shut it off, turning it back on, it's really important that you slowly open the valve. You want that pressure coming back into your home to be slow and not a quick burst of pressure. Can cause damage to appliances and fixtures. So always keep that in mind. We appreciate you stopping by, taking a look at the video today. If you have a hard time finding your shutoff valve in your home, feel free to leave a message in the comments below, or you can also give the office a call. I can do FaceTime with you, and we can kind of walk you through where it's at, how to turn it on and off. No problem doing that. Just give us a call. Otherwise, keep an eye on the channel. We have more plumbing tips and tricks, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Take care. See you next time.